I bet you didn't know how easy it is to create viral AI-generated videos and make money doing it. Exposing the secret sauce behind viral videos. I will show you how to get the best viral videos of your life. Viral videos are the lifeblood of the internet, captivating audiences and spreading like wildfire across social media platforms. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just someone who loves to share engaging content, creating viral videos can significantly boost your online presence and even help you make money. But how do you make a video that stands out in the crowded digital landscape? The answer lies in leveraging the power of AI and user-friendly video editing tools. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating viral AI-generated videos using invideo, a powerful platform that simplifies video creation and makes it accessible to everyone. So let's get started on this exciting journey. The secret to creating viral videos isn't just about having a great idea. It's about execution. With invideo, you have access to a plethora of tools and features that can help you bring your vision to life. From intuitive templates to advanced AI capabilities, invideo provides everything you need to create videos that capture attention and drive engagement. In this guide, we'll explore the key elements that make a video go viral and how you can use invideo to incorporate these elements into your content. Plus, we'll discuss how you can monetize your videos and turn your passion into profit. Let's dive deeper into the world of video creation and discover the magic of invideo. It's easier than you think with invideo. Let's dive in. The first step to creating viral videos with invideo is to sign up for an account. The registration process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Once you're signed up, you'll have access to a wide range of video creation tools and resources. invideo's user-friendly interface makes it easy for beginners to get started, while its advanced features provide plenty of options for more experienced users. Whether you're creating a video for social media, a marketing campaign, or just for fun, invideo has everything you need to make your content shine. The journey to creating viral content begins with a simple sign-up. First, head over to invideo and sign up. Easy peasy, right? Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with a vast library of video templates. These templates are designed to suit a variety of purposes, from promotional videos to social media posts and everything in between. The beauty of using templates is that they provide a solid foundation for your video, allowing you to focus on adding your unique touch. Browse through the available templates and choose one that aligns with your vision. Remember, the template you choose will set the tone for your video, so take your time to find one that resonates with your audience. The right template can make all the difference in setting the stage for your viral video. Now, choose a template that screams "click me." The key to a viral video is grabbing attention right from the start. Your template should be visually appealing and relevant to your content. invideo offers a wide range of templates, from dynamic and energetic to calm and professional. Think about the message you want to convey and choose a template that enhances that message. Once you've selected your template, it's time to customize it to make it truly your own. This is where your creativity comes into play, so don't hold back. There's tons to pick from, so find what fits your vibe. Customizing your template is where the magic happens. invideo's AI technology makes it easy to personalize your video with just a few clicks. You can change the text, add images, and even incorporate your own video clips. The platform's intuitive drag-and-drop interface allows you to experiment with different elements until you find the perfect combination. Don't be afraid to get creative and try new things. The more unique and engaging your video is, the more likely it is to go viral. Your video should reflect your personality and style, making it stand out from the rest. Next, let invideo's AI do its thing. One of the standout features of invideo is its AI-powered script-to-video capability. This feature allows you to upload a script or key points, and the AI will automatically generate a video based on your input. This is a game changer for content creators, as it significantly reduces the time and effort required to produce high-quality videos. Simply upload your script and let the AI take care of the rest. The AI will analyze your script and select the most appropriate visuals, transitions, and effects to bring your story to life. This feature is perfect for those who want to create professional-looking videos without spending hours on editing. Just upload your script or key points and watch the magic happen. The AI will generate a video that aligns with your script, complete with text, overlays, animations, and other visual elements. You can then review the video and make any necessary adjustments. This feature is particularly useful for creating explainer videos, tutorials, and other content that requires a clear and concise narrative. By leveraging AI, you can ensure that your video is both engaging and informative, increasing the likelihood that it will resonate with your audience and go viral. The AI does the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects of your video. It's like having a mini Spielberg in your pocket. InVideo's AI technology is like having a professional video editor at your fingertips. It takes care of the technical aspects of video creation, allowing you to focus on the creative side. You can experiment with different text overlays, animations, and effects to enhance your video and make it more engaging. The platform also offers a range of customization options so you can tailor your video to suit your brand and style. Whether you're creating a promotional video, a social media post, or a tutorial, InVideo's AI technology makes it easy to produce high-quality content that stands out. The possibilities are endless with the right tools at your disposal. Add some snappy text and eye-catching visuals. Text overlays and visuals are crucial elements of a viral video. They help to convey your message quickly and effectively, capturing the viewer's attention and keeping them engaged. InVideo offers a wide range of text and visual options, from bold and dynamic to subtle and elegant. Experiment with different styles and find the ones that best complement your content. Remember, the goal is to create a video that is both visually appealing and easy to understand. Keep your text concise and to the point, and use visuals to reinforce your message. The right combination of text and visuals can make your video unforgettable. Pro tip: keep it short and sweet. In today's fast-paced digital world, attention spans are shorter than ever. To maximize the impact of your video, keep it short and to the point. Aim for a duration of 1 to 2 minutes and make sure every second counts. Focus on delivering your message clearly and concisely, and avoid unnecessary fluff. The more streamlined and engaging your video is, the more likely it is to hold the viewer's attention and go viral. Remember, quality is more important than quantity. A well-crafted, concise video will always outperform a long, rambling one. Make every second count. Remember, attention spans these days are shorter than a goldfish's memory. Once you've created your video, it's time to share it with the world. InVideo makes it easy to export your video in a variety of formats so you can share it on your preferred social media platforms. Whether you're posting on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, InVideo has you covered. The platform also offers a range of optimization options so you can ensure that your video looks great and performs well on any device. Before you hit the export button, take a moment to review your video and make any final adjustments. Make sure your video is polished and professional and that it effectively conveys your message. A final review can make all the difference in the success of your video. Finally, hit that export button and share your masterpiece with the world. Sharing your video is just the beginning. To maximize its reach and impact, consider using affiliate links and other promotional strategies. InVideo allows you to add affiliate links to your video description so you can earn commissions on any sales generated through your video. This is a great way to monetize your content and turn your passion for video creation into a profitable venture. Additionally, consider promoting your video through social media ads, email marketing, and other channels to increase its visibility and reach a wider audience. The more you promote, the greater your chances of going viral. Don't forget to use my affiliate link in the description to get started. There you have it. Creating viral videos with InVideo is a breeze. With its powerful AI technology and user-friendly interface, InVideo makes it easy to produce high-quality videos that capture attention and drive engagement. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, InVideo has everything you need to succeed. So why wait? Sign up today and start creating videos that will take the internet by storm. And don't forget to use my affiliate link in the description to get started. Happy video creating. The journey to viral success starts now. Making viral videos with InVideo is a breeze. The platform's intuitive design and powerful features make it accessible to everyone, regardless of their level of experience. Whether you're creating a video for personal use, a marketing campaign, or a social media post, InVideo provides all the tools you need to bring your vision to life. From customizable templates to AI-powered script-to-video capabilities, invideo has everything you need to create videos that stand out and capture attention. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and start creating your viral masterpiece today. The world is waiting for your creativity. So what are you waiting for? The world of viral video creation is at your fingertips with invideo. With its powerful features and user-friendly interface, invideo makes it easy to produce high-quality videos that capture attention and drive engagement. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, invideo has everything you need to succeed, so why wait? Sign up today and start creating videos that will take the internet by storm. And don't forget to use my affiliate link in the description to get started. Happy video creating! Your viral video journey begins now. Go create some magic. The possibilities are endless with invideo. From promotional videos to social media posts, tutorials to explainer videos, invideo provides all the tools you need to create content that stands out. So go ahead, unleash your creativity and create some magic with invideo. The world is waiting for your viral masterpiece. Your creativity is the key to unlocking viral success. And remember, the key to a viral video is not just in the tools you use, but in the creativity and passion you bring to your project. Take the time to brainstorm and plan your video thoroughly. Sketch out a storyboard, think about the key messages you want to convey and how you can make them resonate with your audience. The more effort you put into the planning stage, the smoother the creation process will be and the more impactful your final video will become. Planning is the foundation of a successful viral video. After sharing your video, don't forget to monitor its performance. invideo provides analytics tools that allow you to track how your video is performing across different platforms. Use these insights to understand what works and what doesn't, and refine your future videos accordingly. Pay attention to metrics like views, engagement, and shares, and use this data to continuously improve your content. The more you learn from your analytics, the better you'll become at creating videos that go viral. Analytics are your guide to continuous improvement. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Every view, like, and share is a step towards creating a viral sensation. Take pride in your work and enjoy the process of creating and sharing your videos. With invideo, you have all the tools you need to create something truly special. So go ahead, dive in, and start making videos that will captivate audiences and spread like wildfire. And don't forget to use the 50% discount link in the description below to get started. Happy video creating! Your journey to viral success is just beginning. Let's talk about some best practices to ensure your video has the best chance of going viral. First, always start with a strong hook. The first few seconds of your video are crucial in capturing your audience's attention. Use a compelling visual or an intriguing question to draw viewers in. Next, keep your content relatable and shareable. People are more likely to share videos that resonate with them on a personal level. Use humor, emotion, or a unique perspective to make your video stand out. Another tip is to optimize your video for different platforms. Each social media platform has its own best practices for video content. For example, vertical videos perform better on Instagram and TikTok, while horizontal videos are more suitable for YouTube and Facebook. invideo allows you to easily adjust your video's aspect ratio to fit different platforms. Additionally, make sure to include captions in your videos. Many people watch videos without sound, so captions can help convey your message effectively. Stay updated with current trends and incorporate them into your videos. Trending topics and challenges can give your content a boost and increase its chances of going viral. Use tools like Google Trends or social media analytics to identify what's currently popular and find creative ways to integrate these trends into your videos. However, make sure the trends align with your brand and message to maintain authenticity. Engagement is key to building a loyal audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage viewers to share their thoughts. The more you interact with your audience, the more likely they are to engage with your content and share it with others. Building a community around your videos can significantly increase their reach and impact. Finally, don't forget to analyze your video's performance and learn from it. invideo's analytics tools provide valuable insights into how your video is performing. Look at metrics like watch time, engagement rate, and shares to understand what works and what doesn't. Use this data to refine your future videos and continuously improve your content. The more you learn from your analytics, the better you'll become at creating videos that go viral. With these tips and invideo-io's powerful tools, you're well on your way to creating viral AI-generated videos. Remember, the key to success is a combination of creativity, strategy, and the right tools. So go ahead, unleash your creativity and start making videos that will captivate audiences and spread like wildfire. Happy video creating! Your journey to viral success is just beginning.